Hi Brainbox, welcome to Brainbox YouTube channel. In our pursuit for improving our numerical ability skills, let us now discuss the rules in a series of operations or PEMDAS. But before you continue, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell to keep you posted about other review topics. You can also avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. In cases where more than one operation is present at a given problem, the rules of PEMDAS should be followed in order to arrive at the correct answer. The rules are as follows. First in the list is to perform operations found inside the parentheses and other grouping symbols. These include brackets and braces. After solving those inside the parentheses and grouping symbols, you may proceed in solving for the expressions with exponents. These include powers and roots. When you are done with steps 1 and 2, you may now proceed with performing the operations of multiplication and division. The important rule here is that when two or more of these operations are present, the order they occur will be the basis which will be performed first. Lastly, you may now proceed doing the addition and subtraction. Just like in step 3, these operations are done based on the order they occur. Here is our first example. To answer this problem, we just have to remember the rules on PEMDAS which we have discussed earlier. To start off, let us perform the operation on the innermost part of the expression. Here you will notice that we have multiplied 4 by 5, which is inside a parenthesis, and got 20. Moving on, we perform the operation between 14 and 20, which is subtraction. Subtracting 20 from 14 leaves us with -6. Lastly, the remaining operation left is adding 30 with -6. This will result to 24. Another example is as follows. After inspecting the given expression, we observe that the following are present: parentheses, exponent, division and addition. Let us solve this by applying the rules of PEMDAS. The first step is to solve the operation inside the parentheses. This leads us to 20 after multiplying 4 by 5. Now we proceed in simplifying the expression with exponents. In the expression above, we were given 5 to the power of 2, which when simplified will give us 25. Next is to perform the operation of division. Dividing 60 by 20 will result to a quotient of 3. Lastly, we perform the remaining operation, which is addition. The final answer is 28. Since we have thoroughly discussed PEMDAS, let us try to expand our knowledge by answering this practice set. To solve this, we have to perform first the operations inside the parentheses. After we perform the operation inside the parentheses, we can now proceed with multiplication. Lastly, we proceed with subtraction. As discussed, we go first with solving those which have exponents, in this case, 2 to the power of 2. Next is to solve those inside parentheses. We can observe that we have two operations inside, addition and subtraction. As mentioned, the order of appearance of these operations will determine which will be performed first. After this, we can now perform division. This leaves us with the operation of subtraction, and we'll arrive at 4 as the answer. In series of operations like this, we have to solve first those which has multiplication and or division before we can proceed with addition and or subtraction. The first step here is to perform the division of 49 by 7, then multiply the quotient by 2. This will result to a product of 14. Then we can now proceed with the remaining operations, which will lead us to the answer of 25. That's all for today. Share this video for others to learn too. If you want to learn more, you can avail of our CSE books and other reviewers. Just click the link to our shop in the caption below. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.